Hey guys, HavasuLew out in Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, we're on our way to check out a just reduced 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home with a 73-foot RV garage. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 2883 Ranchero Drive. This one just had a small price reduction, 1.295. It sits in a nice central location right at the edge of the residential estates area, so it does get to take advantage of the natural gas. So that's always a bonus out here. Nice little corner cul-de-sac lot. Everything around is nice. So you have tons of side parking. So where the gravel meets the bigger gravel, that's basically the property line. This one's only been on the market for 19 days. So they did a ton of upgrades in this house when they built it. I have a amenity list I will attach to the video in the description. Have a nice stamped concrete driveway. It's all pre-wired for security, since they know somebody's going to want to pick this up as a vacation rental, being that it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home. Nice 8-foot interior door, can lights. All right, guys, so this is a brand new 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home. Was just completed last month. 2,599 square feet. Sits on a big corner cul-de-sac lot, 13,547 square feet, right on the edge of the residential estates. Zoned area, so they do get to take advantage of the natural gas. So there's a couple bedrooms and a guest bath. We're gonna shoot the kitchen first. Huge, wide open living area. This thing was built for a vacation rental setup in mind, because that's what the vacation rentals the people want is, you know, they want the amenities, the bedroom, sleep as many people as possible, the pool, somewhere to park the boat, etc. So again, they did a ton of upgrades in this house. I do have an amenity list that will attach to the property description in the video below here. Nice big gas range, quartz counters, stainless appliances, little wine fridge, big kitchen island. All the cabinets are upgraded with the soft touch close, can lights throughout, big 4-inch baseboards, double slider doors out to the pool area. So they did all the slat tile in here, the plank type tile, the big ceiling fans. All right, so we're gonna hit the master first, which is basically directly across from the kitchen. Big master, tall ceilings, can lights, door out to the backyard pool area. No carpet in this house at all. So you have this like little bonus room slash extra walk-in closet, has a ceiling fan. Looks like it's set up for like kids and a dog. It has a doggy door, and there's like a little wash basin right there. So you have the doggy door right here, and then you have this cool little wash basin. Set it up for kids or whatever. Looks pretty cool. It's also pre-wired for wall mount TVs, of course. So you have a really nice big master. Toilet over here in the corner, can light and big fan. Dual vanities. Has a big solar tube skylight in here. All the same quartz tops. Has a really cool walk-in shower with 2 rain heads, or I'm sorry, not rain heads, just regular heads Real nice tile work and a soaker tub. Very cool tile work. And then you have an actual big walk-in closet in the master. Very nicely done. So most everything you see in here is staged, so all this kind of little knick-knack staging stuff will be gone. Let's go check out the other bedrooms. Okay, we're gonna check out bedroom number 2 that's basically behind the kitchen. Pretty good size. I think that's a walk-in closet, ceiling fan. Has a little like nook, I guess, for like a little desk or something would be cool. Does have a walk-in closet. So you have a hallway guest bath, quartz counters. This also has all the troweled down walls and ceilings. Tiled shower. Has a little linen closet. They also did all the soft touch closed cabinets in here as well. All right, so this is bedroom number 3. You have a triple door slider closet. Again, all 8-foot interior doors throughout the whole house. So you have bedroom number 4 at the front of the house off the entry. That's kind of a junior master suite as it has its own bathroom. Same quartz counters. Walk-in shower with really nice tile work. Also has the same little linen closet space. And then the bedroom at the front of the house. So again, this would be a good setup for a vacation rental. If that's an angle you're looking to do, this is what they are looking for. You have another triple door slider closet. The closets do have lights in them. Let's go check out the garage and the pool. So you have your indoor laundry, nice utility sink with a quartz top. Probably plumbed for natural gas, since there is natural gas at the property. It's cheap here, so it makes sense to take advantage of it. So they set this up as kind of a butler's pantry, so you have another fridge location in here, as well as a double door pantry. You can use the pantry as like an owner closet lockout so the renters can't access it. All right, so this is what it's all about for a lot of people, is the monster garage. You have a double wide 2-car side that's 23 feet deep with a 10-foot door. All epoxy floors, all pre-wired. All right, so you have the huge double wide RV side that's 73.5 feet deep, 22.5 feet wide with a 14-foot door. 2 mini split AC units. There's also a bathroom in here and a drive-through bay to the rear. All the doors are insulated, of course. So they did a really nice epoxy on the floors. It has some like rainbow flashes in it when it hits the light just right. I don't think the camera picks it up, but all the lights are LED. Here's your clean out, water heater, RO and soft water loops, and your irrigation timer. So here's your garage bathroom. They kind of did something a little cool, used an old snap-on chest to make the sink with granite tops. 2 can lights, air conditioned, all epoxy as well, and it looks like they have good taste. So you have a real nice double door slider out to the patio and pool area. You have an extra large, full length covered patio, 3 ceiling fans, all pre-wired for sound. and security. Real nice looking new pool, of course. They did the stamped concrete decking and then did travertine coping with some nice stacked stone raised beam. Looks like there's one big water feature. Actually, there's two big waterfall type features. Nice little baja shelf. They have actually two gates, two steel gates, one at the front, one at the rear. They did like these little downlights on the thing, on the parapet wall, and also put rain gutters in for all that rain that we get. Looks like there's one pop-up on the baja shelf just to keep that clean since the vacuum doesn't reach it. Pretty smart idea. Have all your pool equipment over here. I was checking to see if there was a heater, but there is not. But since there is natural gas, you can bring that in easily and heat the pool. So you have cool double steel gates that access the backyard, and then you have this drive-through bay. Looks to be about a 10-foot door, so you can blow this out with like a patio cover and really make the inside outside, especially with the air-conditioned garage. I've seen some people do some really cool stuff with bars and TVs and all sorts of stuff. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Ranchero. Again, this one was just reduced to 1.295. It's set up in a great area. Could be a very, very successful vacation rental with the 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home setup with dual master suites and the giant garage setup. Anyway, I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video, along with a copy of the amenity list. There's just way too many upgrades to go through in a video. Also, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information will be right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.